Ma Ninya good performance in the second half. It will make us Yama team with the benefit of the doubt. First half no Uncle Ye as we expected. Second half no okay my.
So about no was good.
And then Quadracas of injury by this is the second goal wash. And now one about 3 assists. It's okay. An experienced player. He knows what it takes. On a difficult time, in difficult period, you know, it was still to me turning Yamakaka never in your favor, and that is what he did. I think, it is most likely because Mititisa Lagos Sports the coming Sunday and available for a match against 11 Wonders. And then Sadia and I say the best home against the friend is Bechemi United next week. And then the week, it will be 2 weeks time. Yeah, now 11 Wonders no. As I said, the ability to be in the prayer, they are never be outstanding. It's interesting that
someone finally Nami Aguma call 11 Wonders. And that game that was league, you know, title aspiration, no, still
augmented squad now, which me I can remember this some few players now on Fanka squad. Like I said, they are okay. I'm a Sante Kotoko. But in the striking department, the other departments are still now your defense squad. But officer, they all only okay. Now more injury list, so no. I'm going to be able to recover early. Now the cutting why not?
I'm passing in team memory, so we're waiting. Oh yeah, waiting.
Yeah, until
waiting. And yet to say we will be able. So we fit at the end.
So player there, if injury now, but if you make serious training, as I'm more fit, you know, so that's all your recovery. Now, if you say, maybe okay, I process, went well rational.
After 90 minutes, Kotoko, really one go to the. They didn't come out Kotoko supporters.
Anyone really want to
where you know so any GM. More I born. Referee have account because we saw born as a refugee foul take our. We born so we see a ball. It is then a referee make a referee send that. As you know dear, my we say referees no more and yeah. And
officiating it and uncle.
No, because we saw now people referee there. Who didn't know no? It didn't go where say a lord. So there's a present is your name a casa. You are said you see Ariana. If you have your woman, I am Shishia.
I come and matches for Premier League in West side.
I'm Payano, so be Yamai. Payano. So, no, when you so never next week, my son, I did ball at you. So, it is a said, I say, I may press a casa. Let me pay you more so. Our form
supporters,
I don't make as supporters. So, no, let's back a ball on the ball. Players, no, supporters, no other. So, so, you have a problem on your cousin leave for 1 year. Your casa as one bomb is a one in the hello. Then you won't play a band in the hello. It's an idea higher power.
I'm a champion of the players before that.
And one day, and the crap, Yashassia, another woman, was Shassia when he plays in the big Casapa.
Why would you know when you play a band and commission for the team?
Yeah, they say they mean to me, Cassa, way, anyway, no, California, or Medina. It's your time. Say Ghana party. Me place be just your car side.
That's and that's more winning better money.
Baby, over here. But you just lie. Gbogbo yóò bàǹdé kọjọ gbogbo nìdí ẹlẹ́mi sí mílíọ̀n báyìí ìgbójú ẹ̀rọ pẹ̀lú kwara báyìí lélẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀lù ẹlẹ́bọ̀ yóò wọ́n mú ayẹyẹ dẹ̀bìdẹ̀bì ilẹ̀ òkú jẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí nìyẹn lọ kó yìí mú ayẹyẹ ayẹyẹ ẹlẹ́mi ẹ̀fì. Okay. And the big guy here, yeah, bye, and you pay him more Kotoko. I know, Momo, you Kotoko. What did you Kotoko?
It is our candidate at the referees committee.
Yeah, I know. My dear, I'm going to and they are very they don't know better. I'm a referee of a barrel. They are all and then never hear
Is it your first time I've been for the matches?
Yes, of course.
Is it your first time?
Yes.
Oh, Brian, or anyone was them out?
Uncle and Mamisa, because the coach they don't have to blame the players. They have to blame the coach because the coach is not doing well. Every time he have to get offside, if not offside, foul. The coach is not doing. You have to try their best, and the coach has to take responsibility of that. It's not good. It's not easy for them to score one goal. It's not easy. So they have tried their best.
So the performance wasn't good because of the coach.
Yeah.
So you are blaming the coach.
Yeah.
Did you see? Do you want the coach to do something?
Yes.
Yeah. You want the coach to do?
The coach has to take responsibility to make sure that anytime they come, every time it's not easy for them to score even one goal. They have tried their best. Many people are saying that the Kotoko teams and the players are not good. They have tried their best. They have tried, so it's not easy.
So do you have something to talk about officiating?
No.
Okay. Are you going to continue to come to the stadium to watch?
Yeah.
Is it going to be the last day for you coming to the stadium?
No.
Continue to come every day. Okay, thank you. And but as money,
well, game never share. It's very bad. Your chance in creating were very low. So what technical idea I wish game with Mr. Kotoko lack creativity our midfield. I think it's not good. Until sure say anything of frustrations about supporters in the side and I will side with them. It is very bad. Sir, we check it. Be free transportation but the game na entertainment football na SNK Hunisano. The players na fast sad and it's very bad. You be shempo no, you be bra na poor frustrations. It's very bad.
Who is that for the employee? Don't bring your players January.
All right. And again, I show you. We were dominating until Zito changes. Set Kwajo Efimu. I was calling out Peter Amidu Aqua and Walid Nema, and definitely no coach Nasa Otieme and but the substitution of Set Kwajo and but the substitution of Set Kwajo Emma midfield no Ebreki though lost in the bar no you have additional strength and stamina of the bar game. So I would say the likes for likes or the bar it was okay though, but dreams in Sabbath so times are changes in the bar. So it was okay though. It was okay.
You're right, January transfer and you found out
I tell you you need a proper DM. A Jumana double bono, fine. He's trying his best. but you have to say Agadas everything I can squad depth no. It will be very good additional. So in a proper quality DM eba. I think say Baba let me create sometimes, right? We also have entry, but match fitness and societal normality and be one change. So your bumper say omunya betimi abeka yensa.
Are you going to say something about officiating today?
Well, they also have their side, and we shouldn't talk about that. We have to focus on our boys. The most important thing is our boys. They are not matching the expectation. This is Asante Kotoko. I'm saying it again. This is Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We don't play Kotoko this way. We shouldn't come here pouring frustrations on officiating. No. They should.
The best thing is you focus.
Yes, on the boys. The boys are not playing well at all. Especially Peter Amidu. For the past 5 matches, I'm able to stay in Amidu have been very off. We don't know why, but why very off. So the boys should start coming up. Yes. I saw Kwame Poku coming up. You could see the enthusiasm, though the agency was in there, but you could see he was forcing Kwame Poku to try, and then the goal came from him, right? But some of the boys, especially the attitude I saw from Walid and then Peter Amidu was very bad.
I can't the matches our first round. Supporters.
Nothing but the best. We are Asante Kotoko. So definitely all match should be a win game. That is it.
Thank you.
Yeah, technical team. I say Otimi, omo yes I know man more much omo the way you see 2 free kick. Any the way on base here too because the team free kick be I just say dangerous. I say team say na no ya na kwere free kick omo dey say. So I team to say omo to say e ba say na say nya bi na say team sha. Team to say Kotoko na nya free kick na egbotu bu a emo aye say omo a technical team no show so ye e ma ye. Referee morning body obi o park ni so bia hu say referee no ball baby and the em say dey no ni score line share go to me buy ye na anyi anya dey ama sana me kan referee morning man so ni kura it is how share ya che be jaw ball bia no bon 50 no ball get if buy hu say the referee ye no be so obi plan no it afi no dey na den ene yi na fam referee show no kura stone no na o to ne sa SF no yeah captain Samba onye sa no ma no eso no munyira buafu amototo omonsa any particular see edumo and am say referee no as o dey akoma ebedi agro esa ma supporters crowd if you when you person obere ball so esa Ghana ball tie so ma referee for no so no referee for no so GF no mo kasa no mu kwan ya pass wa mbaba bedi ball because ball obi timi ka kire opponent say dreams for no mo Kotoko to mu no mu boko mo obeje penalty amawo oh so bad Kotoko kwan na this ade we die ye kwa wi asa ye ba ho musu asa so yes ma penifo no we o mo ne na kasa mai
okay game ne ba be mo se na yes we give a pass support this mark as a number 2 and we do the better fast sane man no mo ye
sane man dey ade amani nyo me dey from the first day that be ameka obi ba be we sane man so yes start and sane na mo ye enti se na o ye so ye nya eni kwa se ye sane man ball ne dey 90 minutes pass dey be ka ho enti dey we bobia na you say wo bobo no we you know who ba and who fitness level no because I want you know one more na say we say ade a keye ko extra eya na yes why dey wo say dey be one word dey metimi agbo akomanim enti yes o ma o mo nya sa no ma ni bi o mo ba o mo nyu o mo yam mo so o mo bo no mo fitness level enti sa ye da frem ye sole ne dey e be say coach no so say one technical team no mo huru kwa o mo be hu no o mo be kasa
January transfer mo expected there as a supporter
they me expect ani say o be my striker o mo my striker sienu e me ka team no
one striker dia ko consume na
se si ade mani nya to bia so Ghana league ni no Ghana league no e hu obi a wa da yi no hu say o se goals bia ni ade bia sa nti e de e be nya bi wa we a fine e nya bi so ha so a ye pe
I'm a woman with the mess out. All about the work. Over player, papa. So, from Pukano Bansi Park here. Why you play a good developer? What does it? What does it? Oh, Jeff.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?